Katong Sound of Art in the Beginning Art Exhibition. Welcome to my channel. Please watch, subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. Jeannie Iliaga Vlogs. Press all para lagi ang notify sa mga new videos ko. You can see different kinds of art. Homegrown Art Gallery Sound of Art presents In the Beginning an Art exhibition featuring emerging artists from Singapore and across Asia in conjunction with the reopening of Island Katong. The exhibition features works that symbolizes the birth of something new while celebrating the rich culture and heritage of the Katong district in Singapore. All the features are available for sale. Prices are stated on each exhibition panel are inclusive of delivery within Singapore. To find out more about the artworks, visit www.soundofart.com or scan the QR code below. I hope you enjoy watching, guys, and please share this video so many people can see about the art exhibition here in Singapore, and you can learn also if you are interested in about art, so then you can improve your knowledge and then you learn a new things. Thank you for watching, guys. Until some next video, don't forget to subscribe. Jeannie Iliaga Vlogs. Bye bye. God bless everyone. I hope you enjoy watching.